I recently asked DeepSeek about the best way a complete beginner can make money online, aiming to reach over $500 a day. The reason I did this is simple. As you can see online right now, there are countless people creating videos about various strategies to use DeepSeek to make money online. But what better way to truly learn how to use DeepSeek than to ask DeepSeek itself? The results I got were absolutely shocking, and I'll explain why in just a moment. Let's dive into it. First, you need to head over to DeepSeek.com. DeepSeek is the latest AI technology to hit the market, originating from China, and it's quickly becoming a rival to ChatGPT. The key difference? DeepSeek is completely free, and its advanced version, DeepSeek R1, competes with ChatGPT's paid version. This is why so many people are switching to DeepSeek and moving away from ChatGPT. It's free, powerful, and does an incredible job. In this video, we'll even compare DeepSeek and ChatGPT to show you the differences. So step 1, create a free account on DeepSeek. Once you've created your account, click on Start Now. Before we proceed, let me explain a couple of things. When you go to search, you'll notice two options, a standard search option and DeepThink R1. DeepThink R1 is designed to solve complex reasoning problems, such as coding or advanced solutions. You can leave this option enabled if you need it. However, the search function is crucial for most tasks. When DeepSeek searches, it scours the internet for information related to your query and compiles the best results for you. So I highly recommend keeping both options turned on when using DeepSeek. Here's what I did when I first started. I typed in the following question: what is the best way to use DeepSeek to make money online as a complete beginner with the goal of reaching $1,000 a day? The best thing about DeepSeek is that it goes into what I call the think tank mode. It starts searching, analyzing, and compiling solutions to provide you with the best possible answers. As you can see here, it first considers the beginner's perspective. It looks for ways to leverage tools that aren't expensive or overly complex. Perfect for someone who doesn't have advanced skills in AI technology, coding, or website design. The solutions it provides are either very simple to execute or come with tools that do the heavy lifting for you. As we scroll down, you'll see DeepSeek generating different ideas for making money online. In today's video, I'll walk you through a few of these ideas, demonstrate how to use the tools DeepSeek recommends, and then show you how to put everything together so you can start making money online. Sound fair enough? If you're enjoying this and appreciate what I'm doing, all I ask is that you smash the like button to show your support. And if you'd like more videos like this about DeepSeek, simply comment DeepSeek AI down below, and I'll create even more content for you. I've got some amazing content coming your way, so make sure to scroll down and comment DeepSeek to let me know you're interested. Now, let's dive into the first idea that DeepSeek suggested: freelance services. Why freelance services? Well, there's a huge demand for content writing, and you might be wondering, why don't other freelancers just use DeepSeek themselves? The truth is, many clients simply want to outsource the work. They don't care how you create the content, as long as it's relevant and high quality. Next up is email marketing. This is a massive industry, and DeepSeek can help you rewrite or create emails in seconds. It's a game changer. You can use it to craft email sequences, newsletters, and more. Then you can offer these services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Another great option is editing and proofreading. I can't tell you how many times I've written something and thought, let me check if the grammar is correct or if this sounds professional. I'll throw it into ChatGPT or DeepSeek and it rewrites it perfectly, making it sound amazing. Again, this is a service people are willing to pay for, and you can charge for it using DeepSeek. Let's move this video along a bit. Next up, we have content creation. As you all know, content creation is my specialty, whether it's websites, videos, social media, or more. Here's what DeepSeek suggests: blogging. DeepSeek can help you with SEO, create various types of articles, and even guide you on how to monetize through platforms like AdSense, YouTube, and social media. It can assist in creating all forms of videos, from long-form content to short-form clips. Affiliate marketing. You can use DeepSeek to optimize websites for SEO and manage everything related to affiliate marketing. On top of that, DeepSeek can help you create digital products like ebooks, guides, and more. For example, you could easily create a simple PDF document on topics like weight loss, keto diets, or workout routines, and sell it on your social media pages. The content it generates is absolutely amazing. Other options include online tutoring, courses, and e-commerce support. DeepSeek even provides steps to get started. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, learn the basics. Use DeepSeek to understand SEO, content marketing, platform guidelines, and more. Just ask and it'll give you the answers. Step 3, create and monetize. DeepSeek will give you simple, step-by-step instructions to build a business plan. It also covers key considerations like quality control, ethics, legal compliance, and adoption strategies. Now, the next step is to choose one or two of these ideas and combine them. Personally, I'm going to combine content creation with affiliate marketing, focusing on short-form content. The AI tools available today are incredible, and there are countless affiliate marketing products you can promote right away. To get started, I asked DeepSeek for a step-by-step plan. Here's what I requested. I'm interested in point 2, content creation, and want to create faceless videos for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. Can you create a step-by-step plan to help me get started? Is health a good niche to focus on? What are the best AI tools to create faceless videos, including voiceovers? Where can I find affiliate products to promote? DeepSeek is now processing this in its think tank and will generate a detailed business plan for us. Once we have the plan, I'll show you exactly how to create this content and get started. The first step? Choosing a sub-niche. Let's see what DeepSeek recommends. So, we've decided to focus on health, but since health is such a broad niche, DeepSeek recommends narrowing it down to a sub-niche. Some great options include nutrition hacks, weight loss, mental health, sleep optimization, or natural remedies. For this example, I'm going to focus on weight loss for busy people, not fitness, but specifically weight loss. That's the niche we'll target with our content. As you scroll down, DeepSeek explains why these sub-niches are ideal. They have high search volume and engagement on social media. Since DeepSeek can search the internet, it can tell you exactly what keywords are trending on these platforms. If you need more details or clarification on anything, just ask DeepSeek to expand or explain further. Step 2 is where things get really exciting. DeepSeek cuts out all the research for you by recommending the best AI tools for creating faceless content. Not only does it list the tools, but it also provides their key features, costs, and whether they offer a free plan. For this video, I'll stick to free tools, but some amazing options include Pictory, Synthesia, InVideo, my personal favorite, it's a game changer, Canva, Murph, 11 Labs for voiceovers, though many AI tools now include built-in voiceover features. For this video, we'll use InVideo to create our content. As we scroll down, DeepSeek even provides a workflow for using these tools. Script writing. Use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to write engaging scripts. For example, it suggests it's a title like 3 Morning Habits to Boost Metabolism. You can even ask DeepSeek to generate 10, 20, or 50 more titles, giving you enough content for months. Voiceovers. Many AI tools already include voiceover features, so this step is often seamless. Video creation. Use tools like InVideo to create your videos. Most of the time you won't even need to edit because these tools are so advanced. Step 3 is finding an affiliate product to promote. DeepSeek lists the top platforms for health niches, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, health-specific networks like Health Tracker and iHerb affiliates, direct brand partnerships. For this example, we'll use ClickBank to find a high-commission digital product in the weight loss niche. DeepSeek even advises looking for products with a gravity score of 30 or higher, which indicates proven sales. Here's how to do it. Go to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Head to the marketplace and select the health and fitness category. Sort the results by gravity score, high to low, to find top-performing products. The product I'm looking at is called Mytolen, a supplement that helps with weight loss by suppressing appetite. It has a gravity score of 858, which is incredible, and it offers an average commission of $136 per sale. To get your affiliate link, click Promote enter your affiliate nickname, and generate your unique URL. Before promoting, I recommend clicking on the product to review its details and ensure it aligns with your audience's interests. We already know it has proven sales and includes upsells, making it a great choice. You can see this product has 3 different offers, and as you scroll down, you'll notice the sales page looks absolutely amazing. It's a reputable product, and many people are already running ads to promote it. It's simple, effective, and fits perfectly with our niche. Before diving into the rest of the tips, let's focus on the basics, creating the videos. Remember, DeepSeek advised us to use either DeepSeek or ChatGPT to write the script. I'll use both to show you the differences in how they operate. First, I went to DeepSeek and asked, can you create a script for a 45-second video titled 3 Morning Habits to Boost Metabolism? No visuals required, just the script. As you scroll down, you'll see DeepSeek automatically goes into its think tank. Here's where it stands out from ChatGPT. DeepSeek noticed something I didn't mention, a call to action, CTA. It suggested adding a gentle nudge, like encouraging viewers to try the tips or follow my social media page. This is a great example of how DeepSeek goes the extra mile to refine your content. I recommend reviewing this script to ensure nothing is missing. In this case, I intentionally left out the CTAs because I wanted to focus on creating a video to attract followers and engagement first. Later, I'll show you how to create hard sell videos. DeepSeek generated a clean script with bold titles, which I asked it to remove for simplicity. I did the same with ChatGPT, and while both scripts were very similar, DeepSeek's added insight about the CTA gave it an edge. Now, let's move to invideo.org to turn this script into a video. Once you sign up, I recommend upgrading to one of their paid plans for more features. Paste the script into the platform and click Generate Video. InVideo will analyze the script, create scenes, add a voiceover, and produce the entire video for you. During the process, it will ask for details like audience, fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, health-conscious individuals, etc. Look and feel, bright, inspirational, clean, etc. Platform, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc. For this example, I chose busy professionals and set the video for Instagram Reels, short-form content in the right dimensions. Within minutes, InVideo creates a professional-looking video. Here's a preview. Want to jumpstart your day and burn more fat? I'll show you how with 3 easy morning habits. First up, hydrate as soon as you wake up. Your body gets dehydrated overnight, and drinking water first thing can boost your metabolism by up to 30%. Next, get moving. A short workout, just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or a quick walk, activates your metabolism. I'll pause there so you can see how amazing this video looks and sounds. InVideo is incredibly versatile. You can change the voice, text, music, or media with simple commands or by using the editing tools. Most of the time, the first draft is already fantastic, but you can tweak it to perfection. Once the video is ready, upload it directly to your social media platforms. The next step is to batch create videos. These initial videos are designed to attract likes, clicks, and followers by providing pure value. After that, you can create videos with a call to action promoting your affiliate product. For example, I asked DeepSeek to create another script with a CTA for Mytolin, the weight loss supplement we're promoting. Here's the result. Want to turn your body into a calorie-burning machine? Here's how. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is super important for your metabolic health. It helps with digestion and energy use, making your body burn calories more efficiently. Tips number 2, strength training. Building muscle mass through strength exercises can boost your resting metabolic rate. More muscle means more calories burned, even when you're just chilling. Finally, try Mytolin. The supplement is designed to enhance mitochondrial function, aiding energy production and metabolic efficiency. It's a natural way to give your metabolism that extra push. Check the link in our bio to learn more about Mytolin. This video is absolutely amazing. I couldn't have scripted it better myself. Now that we have our product, video creation tools, and content, it's time to start posting. But first, let's optimize for each platform. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Hook viewers in the first 2-3 seconds. For example, stop doing this if you want to lose weight. You can ask DeepSeek to generate more hooks like this for your niche. YouTube Shorts focus on search-driven topics like boost metabolism or 3 morning habits to boost metabolism. Ranking for these keywords will drive more views, followers, and sales. Facebook, share your content in relevant groups such as weight loss or support groups. This is a great way to get free traffic and grow your audience. For monetization, place your affiliate links in your bio. For example, on Instagram, you can set up automations to send product links via DMs when someone comments on your posts. Finally, batch your content. Use AI tools to create 10 to 20 videos in one sitting. This saves time and ensures you have a steady stream of content to post. It even provides a posting schedule for TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, detailing how to batch content, how many videos to create, and when to post. Plus, it includes a recommended starter kit, free tools, Canva for editing, DeepSeek and ChatGPT for scripts, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Paid tools, Pictory and InVideo. You can start with InVideo for free, making it perfect for beginners. Affiliate programs. Start with ClickBank for high commissions or Amazon for trusted products. It even breaks down a 30-day plan with actionable steps for each week, along with pro tips to maximize your results. Finally, batch your content. Use AI tools to create 10 to 20 videos in one sitting. This saves time and ensures you have a steady stream of content to post. It even provides a posting schedule for TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, detailing how to batch content, how many videos to create, and when to post. Plus, it includes a recommended starter kit, free tools, Canva for editing, DeepSeek and ChatGPT for scripts, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Paid tools, Pictory and InVideo. You can start with InVideo for free, making it perfect for beginners. Affiliate programs. Start with ClickBank for high commissions or Amazon for trusted products. It even breaks down a 30-day plan with actionable steps for each week, along with pro tips to maximize your results.